Hey everyone, welcome to Intuitive Gems. In this video, I'm going to do an unboxing and a card flip through of the Divine Energy Oracle deck. This is a deck, I think this came out, I want to say maybe a year ago. I'm not quite sure, but I think the creator's name is Sonia, is it Choquette? I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. But I just picked these up today and I am ready to go ahead and do an unboxing with all of you. So as per usual, I am going to remove the outer shrink wrap so we can take a look at the cards together. Okay, so now that I've removed the outer plastic wrap, let's go ahead and take a look at this deck. As you can see, it is a 63 card deck to get out of your own way. And this is the little blurb on the back if you'd like to pause and read that. Now, what drew me to this particular deck was the simplicity of it. Now, I like to use oracle cards in my readings, usually as like a final thought, or sometimes as a clarifying card, depending on the reading or the situation or the client. So, this is the little guidebook. See, this is what I like. It's just, very simple. Be decisive. Do what you love. And so forth. Okay. And these are the cards here. Very nice looking card back. And these are not gilded cards, but they are pretty thick. Alright, I think I will start from, oops, there's something sticky on there. Let's go ahead and start this way. So it says wake up call. Now I could see these cards also being very useful during meditation, journaling, or visualization. You can kind of utilize these cards as a prompt if you are writing in your journal and trying to work things out. I do have a friend of mine who uses these cards during her coaching sessions. She is a life coach, and she is actually the one who kind of inspired me to pick up this deck for myself, because she says it's very, very helpful when she's working with her clients and giving them some type of an action plan at the end of their sessions. So I thought that was interesting, and I actually thought that was a great idea. I'm feeling something sticky on these cards. But again, they're very, very simple. I love the color scheme. And as you can see, I think the designs just kind of repeat, and then, the messages or the text on the cards are what change. Now these cards also would work well with people who are not necessarily into like the woo of, you know, tarot or oracle cards. You know, we all have that sometimes cynical or skeptic friend who doesn't, quote, believe in this stuff. Well, this is something that's a little bit easier to get people to be on board with. You know, because it's not necessarily anything metaphysical or spiritual or religious. These are just very practical cards that can apply to everyday life. And I do like the feminine colors. Hot pink is one of my favorite colors. So I definitely like that. And these messages are just so direct. You know, there's no misunderstanding of what it is that you need to know or that you may want to consider. And I like how, you know, all the cards are positive. There's no, there's no, you know, negative per se card in the deck. I like that one. And then these are cards I dropped. Express your joy and rejuvenate. So, those are the Divine Energy Oracle cards. Look how cute. There's a little heart in the box. So I will have a link down below in case you are interested in learning more about this deck. I definitely think it's something, you know, I'll have fun working with and, you know, seeing how it speaks to me and how it works with, you know, some of the other decks that I use as far as, you know, trying to work with clients one-on-one. So if you have any questions about anything, feel free to drop those down in the comments below. And if you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so because I do have a lot more videos to come. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.